Hello guys, today we're going to know how to make your reel view increase in 2022 and why should we get more view on reel, and there are tons of reasons why you need to take advantage of Instagram reel feature. For one, marketing your business using Instagram reel boosts your follower and encourage your target audience to discover more of your content. And there's a lot of tips to increase view of an Instagram reel that you can try. And first is create valuable content for your audience, and you can see what's the difference between using Instagram for your brand and using it for personal enjoyment. It is the kind of content you create and post on your Instagram profile, while your personal account can be a mix of everything that you want to upload. Your Instagram business profile is geared more toward marketing to your follower. To get more view on your Instagram reel, they need to be educational, just like other reels that maybe they are focused on one tips for online marketer, or they are only focused on food, anything, and they are consistently get tens of thousands of view per reel. And you can see lots of reel that just like this is professional reel or anything, just like by edit. And the next tips is you can use popular audio tracks in your reels. And how we can find audio tracks, you can go to the reel. If you go to explore, and then you can go, this is original audio from this person, and we can click and we can save audio, and then we can post a video using this background sound. There is original audio from this person, and 3,000 reel were uploaded using this audio. And here's a secret hack that Instagram expert do to increase the number of reel viewers. Because of Instagram advanced algorithm, you will see relevant reels based on your activity. And the best part, this reel will all have high number of views already because Instagram featuring them. Don't just watch the reel, so use them as inspiration by finding out the audio used in this reel. To find the audio used in Instagram reel, you can do the same thing like before. Just click the audio and you find the audio here. You can save to your Instagram account. And this way you're sure that your Instagram already know that this audio is engaging and preferred by their user. After all, they've featured it and it's been watched more than 1 million times already. And the next tips is you can create reels under 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Do you know that the average attention span is up to 8 seconds only. This means that people will be less likely to watch your Instagram reel if they are longer than 8 until 10 seconds. They may be too busy scrolling to the next reel if you couldn't get their attention in the first few seconds. Sure, you can engage them from the start by telling an intriguing story, sharing an interesting fact, or stimulating their curiosity. But what if they don't finish watching the whole Instagram video? You can easily solve this issue by keeping your Instagram reel under 10 seconds. And the next tips is you can add relevant hashtag. You can see this is a lot of hashtag that is relate to this video, just like mountain or anything. Another excellent way to increase view on your reel is to use relevant hashtags like this. And by adding targeted hashtag to your reel, you increase the chance of more users watching your Instagram video. And you can make sure to add a maximum of 10 hashtags only. Anything more than it can be considered as spam by Instagram algorithm. And also to increase the view of your Instagram reel is you can share it to all of your social media. And I think that's enough video that I can convey about how to increase view of your reel video. And you can try. Hopefully it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.